everyone, today I'm so happy to share you about the 50 tips for architecture student. So I take the credit to the Tifa, who's the writer for this book. So I just come here to share you about what the inside about the tip. So firstly about the sketch. Okay, always travel with your sketchbook. You should take sketch every day. As you see, when we travel outside as an architect, we have to take a look, or sometimes we have to investigate all the building or something that around us. Okay, and move to the next step, read. Okay, for this point, not only for the architect, it means that everyone that who love to study, who love to do the research, they always read. The more you read, the more you increase your idea, okay, and improve your work. So the first one about analyze the precedents. So as you see the sketch image here, okay, try to examine as many projects as you can, but not only can you look at render and image. You can also read the concept and the architecture approach. See and analyze plans section. You analyze the context of the building in structure, light, and circulation. Let's move to the next step, the 4 within your network. Okay. 5th one, create competition team. This one foreign language. Okay. So as an architect, we must know English. So as we know that English is international language, so if you know English, you can do the more research on the internet or find something information related to your skill. And the 7th, master the program. You have to learn any program to improve your skill, like AutoCAD, Sketchup, Archicad, Photoshop, Lumion, Revit, or another program that you can use in your work. And the 8th one, travel. 9, write. 10, watch. 11, be open criticism. So we must be the open mind person, so we can collect or absorb another idea and to improve your work. So this one is a good point for architect. And the next one, watch the documentary. 13, think. 14, context. 15, talk. 16, develop a style. 17, magazine. 18, virtual space. So for some point, I don't talk much or do the much detail, but you can see some word here. 19, material. So this one also important. Being an architect, we have to know the new technology, new material, or some product from another country to improve our design. Okay, and 20, meaning. 21st, scale. Okay, 22nd, observe. 23rd, architect history. Okay, 24, color. Yes, this point also important. Before we design something, we have to understand about the color and how we mix the color and how to make our design color look balanced. Okay, and 25th, don't be afraid to use color. Okay, 26, develop ourselves. 27, think out of the box. Okay, 28, semiotic. 29, consider your specialty. 30, don't forget that you are a human. 31st, judge differently. 32, no disappointment. 33, physical model. 34, step by step. certificate keep update. So for this point, not only for architect or something, some professional, we have to keep update to improve our work. 36, do what we love. 37, socialize. 38, don't throw it away. 39, nature. Okay. 40, listen to the critic. 41st, wake up early. Okay. 42, success. 42nd, manage time well. 43rd, take up a hobby. 44th, join event. 45th, don't let your design be pizza. Okay, you can read more the detail that how the book explains. If you have no idea how many material you use in your design, how many scale to use in a model, how many scale models to make, how many board to play, how many color to use. 3 is a safe number for this. I learned this when I was in Erasmus, and I found out that other architects follow the same rule. You may want your composition to complement each other. You can use the power of 3 even if each design situation is different. 46, Hikai and Lata Kasin. When you describe the project, you will tell a story. Try not to use phrases such as, "Sir, I got the internet from here." You can learn how to build an impressive and compelling talk by listening to how successful architects talk about the project in TED Talk or similar talk. 47, ask your friend. 48, don't compete. 49, okay. For 49 point, a lot of words you can see here. And the last one, 50. What do you want to change about yourself? Okay, I just review the 50 tips for architect that I got from the book, and I hope it will help you to success in this area. So that's all for my presentation, and thank you so much.